What's up, guys? It's another day, another episode with Jaegermoto, and we're trying a little new setup here today. I don't have the wired mics on my Insta360. I actually invested in a Insta360 mic Pro, and yeah, we're trying out the Bluetooth setup for the first time ever. So hopefully this turns out pretty good. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video, but honestly, the weather in Georgia has been terrible, and then work on top of that has just been piling on top of itself. And with that being said, you know, I didn't really have much time to do so, but now we're free, we're home, the weather's looking good, and yeah, I want to take my time to talk a little bit about everything that's been going on since the last video. Being said, the first thing that happened was Jimmy is now training, and yeah, he's gone for the month, so the house is pretty empty. And then on top of that, I had to get like and then with Jimmy being gone, I had to take Maggie over to my parents' house because there's nobody that's going to take care of her while I'm in the field as well. So right now the apartment is kind of quiet, very depressing, and it sucks, but we're making the most of it. It's my first time back on the bike in like 2 weeks, so I'm very excited, very happy. I'm actually having to adjust a couple things on the AGV Pista setup for YouTube, only because the camera sits up so high I can't lift up my visor when I'm at the light, so I'm like suffocating every time I stop riding. But other than that, it's been a chill day, and we're about to go get some matcha, baby. If you don't know, I'm a sucker for matcha. I love matcha, and that's what we're gonna go get, because it's been about 2 weeks since I had some. The weather today is gonna be great, and it's gonna get lower as the sun goes down, so I had to wear a hoodie as much as I don't want to. But yeah, other than that, life's been good. Just a lot of training, and a lot of anticipation, waiting to finally be able to ride the bike again. Thankfully we're back on, so we're chilling. I do miss Jimmy though, so Jimmy, if you see this before you come home, just know I love you, big dog, and hurry home, man, hurry home. It's boring over here. I'm starting to bite the walls and shit. But right now, the bike is pretty much complete. Oh no. The bike is pretty much done. I already put the crankcase covers on the bike. I'll show you guys that when I get off. But I want to talk a little bit about why I decided to go Bluetooth with the mic and switch it up a little bit. I didn't know that this microphone came out for Insta360 until I watched the video on YouTube, funny enough. And they were basically talking about all the pros and cons that come with the microphone. But as I was watching it, I realized that there's a lot more pros than there is cons. And one of the biggest pros is I'm going to be able to set the camera up right here and have a POV of me while I'm riding for the YouTube channel, which is going to be sick. I already have the mount. I just have to put it on the windscreen, and yeah, that's a done deal. It's going to look sick, and I'm so excited for that. Other than that, it also just makes it easier for me to be able to record between helmets. If I run out of microphones, I have one that I can just swap between every single helmet because it's Bluetooth. And now I also don't have to wait for the weather to clear up. If I get caught in the rain, I don't have to worry about anything because the camera is now waterproof. With all the cases being back on it, all the seals, I can ride this camera out in the wild and like not care if it rains because it's waterproof again. Which is one of the biggest downfalls of having a wired microphone on an Insta360. The port, one of the ports makes it where if it gets wet, you're cooked. So going back to closing everything up and having a microphone outside of the camera just makes it that much better for me. But yeah, I hope this quality is good. I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. The rest of this video is going to be a pure sound video because I want to listen to music and just chill. But I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. and I'll talk to you guys when I get back to the cafe. So that thing sounds so ugly. Like a straight fart can. Look at that view, baby! Woo. Dude, this song is so loud, even though I turn it down. Oh my god. I need to practice that. I need to practice how to take off my camera and put it back on. What's the point of a quick release if I don't even know how to put it on when I have the helmet on? That defeats the whole purpose of me messing with the camera at a light and then putting it back on time. I just stalled trying to rush out of a light. That's embarrassing, dude. So embarrassing. Yeah, you tell him. You tell him. Ooh. I've been craving this matcha. And they open till 9, baby. They open till 9. And it's Friday. I was gonna say Matcha Monday, baby. But no, not a thing here. Not right now, not today. Turn that off. Oh yes. Oh yes. Make sure I didn't forget my earbuds either, because I'm gonna listen to some bangers while I'm drinking my matcha. So a big reason why I got this camera, I'm gonna show you guys before I get off the bike. The big reason why I got this camera is because look at this. I took it off and I can still talk to you guys. That's nuts. But I have a hard time putting this thing back on. So that's what I gotta learn. There it goes. Other than that, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the ride here. This kind of concludes the video, to be honest with you. I don't really have much to record other than that. I'll probably record more. I'll let you guys know though. Or you'll just pay attention to the video, I guess. But what the hell is that? Oh no. I gotta figure this out. Oh no, I'm leaking, bro. Fuck.